Today, we're confronting the villain of our home, the pantry. First, we remove everything, every single thing. The snacks have unionized. So let's take back control. If it's edible, expired, or emotionally confusing, it's coming out. The shelves are visible again. Yikes! Cleaning the shelves is the calm before the storm. Ooh, I like it. Let's give those appliances that rarely get used a new home. Nothing says, I have my life together, like containers and labels. Because if I don't label it, I will absolutely forget what's in it, and so will everyone else. This is the part where we pretend we're in a fancy restocking video. Comment down below, do you refrigerate the ketchup or does it live in the fridge? Ladies and gentlemen, the pantry has been defeated. Order has been restored. The snacks are safe. Did it last, you ask? Let's see. I'd say mission complete. If you enjoyed this chaotic journey, subscribe. I organize things, I make messes, and sometimes I fight my pantry. It's a whole thing.